Have you ever gone to the bank and felt nervous because you must speak English? Maybe you want to open an account, maybe you want to withdraw money. But you think, what should I say? Do not worry. Today I will teach you simple English you can use at the bank. Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Calm Step English, where learning English is simple, calm, and step by step. In today's lesson, you will learn how to speak English at the bank. We will learn simple bank vocabulary, easy sentences. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident speaking English at the bank. So relax, listen carefully, and learn with me. Let's begin. When you walk into a bank, the first thing you usually do is speak to the bank teller. A bank teller is the person who helps customers at the bank. Sometimes the teller will say, "Hello, how can I help you?" This is a very common question. How can I help you means you can answer with a simple sentence. For example, hello, I would like to open an account. Hello, I want to deposit money. Hello, I need to withdraw cash. These sentences are simple and clear. Let's look at some example sentences. I would like to open an account. I want to deposit some money. I need to withdraw cash. I have a question about my account. These sentences are very useful at the bank. Now let's imagine a real situation. You walk into the bank. You go to the counter. The teller smiles and says, "Hello, how can I help you today?" You answer, "Hello, I would like to open a bank account." That is perfect English for beginners. Now let's look at a short mini conversation. Teller, hello, how can I help you today? Customer, hello, I would like to open an account. Teller, of course, please fill out this form. Very simple, very natural. You do not need difficult grammar. Simple English works very well. Many people go to the bank because they want to open an account. An account is where your money stays in the bank. When you open an account, the bank may ask some question. They might say, "May I see your ID? What is your phone number? What is your address?" These questions help the bank confirm who you are. Let's look at useful sentences. I would like to open an account. What documents do I need? Here is my ID. Here is my passport. Here is my address. These sentences are simple, but very helpful. Now imagine this real-life situation. You want to open a bank account because you started a new job. You go to the bank and speak with the teller. Mini dialogue. Customer, hello, I would like to open an account. Teller, of course. May I see your ID? Customer, yes, here it is. Teller, thank you. Please fill out this form. That is a normal bank conversation. The teller may also ask, would you like a savings account or a checking account? Do not worry. You can answer simply. For example, I would like a savings account, or I would like a checking account. Very easy. Remember, when speaking English at the bank, simple sentences are perfect. Another common reason people go to the bank is to deposit money. Deposit means putting money into your bank account. You might bring cash or a check. When you speak to the teller, you can say, I would like to deposit money. I want to deposit this cash. I want to deposit this check. These sentences are very clear. Let's look at some example sentences. I would like to deposit $200. I want to deposit this money into my account. Can I deposit money here? Now let's imagine a real-life situation. You just received your salary. You want to put the money in your bank account. You go to the bank counter. Mini dialogue. Customer, hello, I would like to deposit some money. Teller, sure. How much would you like to deposit? Customer, I would like to deposit $300. Teller, please place the money here. Very simple conversation. The teller may also give you a receipt. A receipt is a small paper that shows your transaction. You can say, thank you, have a nice day. Good manners are always important. Sometimes you want to take money out of your account. This is called withdraw. Withdraw means taking money from the bank. You can say, I would like to withdraw some cash. I need to withdraw money. Can I withdraw $100? Let's look at simple sentences. I want to withdraw $50. I need some cash. I would like to withdraw money from my account. Now imagine this situation. You need cash for shopping. You go to the bank. Mini dialogue. Customer. Hello, I would like to withdraw some cash. Teller. Sure. How much would you like to withdraw? Customer. I would like to withdraw $100. Teller. Please enter your PIN number. A PIN is a secret number for your bank card. Your PIN protects your account. Always keep your PIN private. The teller may give you the money and say, here is your cash. You can answer, thank you very much. Simple and polite. Sometimes you do not need to speak to a teller. You can use an ATM. ATM means automated teller machine. It is a machine that lets you take money from your account. You insert your bank card and enter your PIN. Common ATM actions are withdraw money, check balance, deposit money. Let's look at useful sentences. Where is the ATM? Can I withdraw money here? How do I use this ATM? Now imagine a situation. You are at a shopping mall. You need cash. You see an ATM. You ask someone, excuse me, where is the ATM? They answer, the ATM is next to the bank. You go to the machine. You insert your card. You enter your PIN. You select withdraw. Then the machine gives you cash. Very easy. ATMs are very useful when the bank is closed. Now it is time to practice speaking. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I would like to open an account. I need to withdraw some cash. I want to deposit money. My card is not working. Where is the ATM? Excellent. Practice speaking these sentences many times. When you repeat English, your speaking becomes stronger and more natural. Now let's listen to a simple bank conversation. Customer. Hello. I would like to open an account. Teller. Of course. May I see your ID? Customer. Yes, here it is. Teller. Thank you. Please fill out this form. Customer. Sure. Teller. Your account is ready. Very good. Now another example. Customer. Hello, I would like to withdraw some cash. Teller. How much would you like to withdraw? Customer. I would like to withdraw $200. Teller. Please enter your PIN number. These conversations are simple and very useful. Practice them many times. Let's review the important vocabulary we learned today. Account, deposit, withdraw, PIN number, bank teller, receipt, cash. These words are very common in banks. Try to remember them. You can even write them in a notebook. Practice using them in sentences. For example, I opened a new account. I deposited money today. I withdrew cash from the ATM. Practice makes progress. Now I have a question for you. When you pay for things, what do you prefer? Do you prefer cash or card? Write your answer in the comments. I would love to read your answers. Learning English for real life is very important. Today you learned how to speak English at the bank. You learned simple vocabulary. You learned useful sentences. You practiced real conversations. Remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need simple English and confidence. Speak slowly. Use short sentences. Practice every day. Step by step, your English will improve. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more simple English lessons, and share this video with a friend who is learning English too. Thank you for learning with Calm Step English. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep speaking English every day.